Hello everyone and welcome back. Alright, I have another challenge lock here that was sent to me by my good buddy the Bronx Lockpicker60. And again, brother, I wish you the best of luck with your surgery this upcoming Thursday. And yeah, don't worry about us, we'll all be here when you get back, when you're able to pick again. But anyways, I grabbed this challenge lock here and it was pinned up by Cameron Dunn, number 21 on 9/6/2018, and he's calling it, I think that's when Bronx Lockpicker60 picked it, maybe, or unless Cameron did that, I'm not sure, but I think this is Bronx Lockpicker60. Anyways, Cameron's calling it the Fortress of Solitude. This is a little strange keyway. I know the bow looks exactly like a slag, and it might be a slag type of keyway, but it's definitely different. This is another challenge lock here for a later date. Definitely different from the regular slag that we're used to picking off of with that slope. That's, your pick just wants to slide off of, so we usually try to stick a shotgun down there to keep it from sliding off that ledge. This one here has got a nice little ledge. Looks like to be picking off of. I have not tried picking this yet, but we're going to see if we could get it picked now. That's the bidding on a key. 1, 2, 3, 5 bit, 5 pin. Yeah, it's a kind of a small kick here. But anyways, works perfectly smooth, and we're gonna see if we can get it picked. And we will see what Cameron put inside it for us. All right, I'm gonna zoom us up. Possibly. Oh, let me turn that light up a little bit too. Alright. Bear with me for a second here. Alright, that should be okay. Alright. Again, it works really smooth, and let's see if we get it open. Alright, well, let's see. Alright, there's this tension wrench that my buddy Harley from West Coast Picks made me. It's a little loose. I think this is in 40 thousandths. I haven't measured it. Alright, and, well, I guess I'll just try using my favorite pick from Trekmaster 30. And let's see what we got here. Alright, I think we're trying to get underneath pin 5. Oh. Alright, I got a nice click out of it. A couple clicks. Now I'm trying to get back out from underneath 4. That one's really hard. Okay, we got a click out of him. Alright, we're going to leave that alone. Got a little turn on the core on pin 3. I think this is pin 2. Whoa, big click off of 2. Or maybe that was 1. That might have been pin 1. Alright, let's start in the back again. I think that pin 4 wants to be picked again. Let's go back to pin 4. Yeah, nice crunchy click from it. That was pin 2 again. Oh, and that's pin 1. And now, excuse me, we've got a pretty decent false set. I think pin 2. I'm getting some counter rotation off of 2. But it ain't doing nothing. Alright, let me start in the back again. That was pin 3, and I dropped pin 1. Okay, I got that one again. Now pin 2 maybe. Looks like I'm getting some counter from it. Alright, that was pin 5. Got a little bit of counter from that one. This is pin 2, I believe, that I dropped. Oh, we're open on 2. Awesome. That was a nice lock, for sure. Alright, let's see what Cameron put in there for us. Alright, well, we have a key, so we'll put the key back in it. Make sure we didn't mess nothing up. It works, still works good. And let's grab a tray. We got one here that is hot off the press. This is one of Chuckmaster 30's design with the Phoenix here. Alright, let's get her open. Let me take that off for a second. Oh, get this clip off here. Okay, that's good enough for that. All right. Okay. Alrighty. There's all 5 pins. You can see some magic in there. And you can see they all had to be picked, and some of them picked very hard. Alright. Let's see what we got here. A nice spool in 1. Serrated in 2, which I will show you. It's a standard in 3. I believe that's a couple of double wide serrations and another serrated, I think, in 5. But we can see some nice threading in 1, 2, and 4, and some counter milling in 3. Awesome. Alright, let's see what we have up here. It's a serrated, a copper spring. Oh, that's right, hooked to the spring. Oh no, it was, I thought. That's a very long spool. A couple of, oh, damn it, didn't mean to do that. There's pin 3. Another spool, but, excuse me, that's got a serration on the end. Spring 2 won't come out. There's 4 serrated. I believe these are brass springs, or yeah, brass, I believe. I think somebody told me the lighter color is brass and a darker is copper. Oh, come here, get back here. Pin 5 is a spool. Oh, that's a long spring. That might be a steel spring. Let me see if I get this other one out of here. Yep, there it is. A little shorter copper. Alright, I don't think anything was done here. Doesn't look like you went in that. Oh, nothing there. Alright, let's zoom up on these pins. Alright, key pin 1. A nice looking spool. Up top, serrated driver. Key pin 2. nicely fine serrated. And check out this long driver up on top of two. It's serrated and it's got a bunch of nice serrations in there too. Pretty awesome. Then we got a standard here in key pin 3 with another spool serrated on the top. I like making these spools myself. Nice serration on the top. Key pin 4, a couple of serrations, and same up top. Key pin 5, if I could get it. Another nicely serrated. And up top we have another spool with some serrations in it. And then you can see we got this very long steel spring in 5, and I believe a couple coppers. That might be a steel spring in 1, and I believe that is brass. I'm not sure, but awesome lock. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I turned the lighting down. Phone sometimes gets a little tricky on me, but yeah. All right, well, if you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, please hit that like button. Have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.